Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So, long time no talk, I know, and I do apologize for that as always. I'm sure, insert lame excuse here, and that's where I've been. Just pick your own excuse. You can leave it down in the comments if you want to. We'll turn it into a game. Where was Nikki at this time? I don't know, but she wasn't here, was she? But anyways, so today I'm coming at you guys with the NYX unboxing. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Primer. This has cannabis sativa seed oil in it. So this is what the gorgeous box looks like. I did receive this product completely free for consideration. All I have to do is review this product for Influencer, let them know what I think of it, how much I like it or dislike it, let them know if it does anything for my skin. And of course, it's really hard to do that if you're trying a product out for the first time. So I do want to share with you guys that I did try this product out already. I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like in the box, but I have already opened it up and been playing around with it just because I don't like to review something if I haven't already tried it. You can't really review a product you don't know anything about. So this is a pretty cool product, and I hope you guys stick around to see what it's all about. So before we get into actually opening up the box, if you guys are unfamiliar, this is from Influenster. Now, Influencer is an app that you can download on your phone, and you review products. You review like any products you can think of. Like I have reviewed, actually I haven't reviewed this yet. I have to review this today. But anything that you use, you leave a review for it. Any makeup, any food, drinks, whatever you use or cook with, anything that you can review, get on there and review it. Just give an honest opinion on things. And they use that information and they will send you out products for you to test out for them and let them know what's up, what you think of it. And it's honestly a really cool way to try out new products. I've tried out so many new products. It's not even funny with this. I've got to try out some highlighters. I've got to try out new deodorant. There's so many things that I can't think of. I've tried out several things, and I'm sure I have a few videos on here of me opening up my Influencer boxes, but this one, like I said, has already been opened, so I'm just going to open it up and let you see what it looks like inside. So this is what the box looked like inside, and it has this little card telling you some stuff about it, which we'll read in just 1 second, but we all know that y'all just want to see the product, which, by the way, is gorgeous. And it smells fantastic. So this is the little box. It's called Bear With Me. And this is a Radiant Perfecting Primer. So this is what the little container looks like. But the product, the way it looks itself, is gorgeous. This stuff, you cannot probably see that. I'm going to use this little bitty dot right here and kind of smooth it on my hand so you can kind of see what's up. It's a very glowy primer, but you don't look greasy or anything. Like, it's really nice. But before I dive in and put it on my face, I'm just going to read a little bit about it off of this card for you guys so that you know what I'm applying to my face. It says, for skin that's lit on the outside and soothed from the inside. It says, for lit on the outside, micro pearls for a super radiant glow. Lightweight cream formula blurs away imperfections. And then soothed from the inside says, calming hemp-derived cannabis sativa seed oil repairs irritated skin and locks in moisture for soothed, hydrated skin. Anti-aging Centella asiatica, no clue, extract helps retain moisture, regulate oil production, and maintain skin elasticity up to 24 hours hydration. And let me tell you guys, I wore this all day yesterday, and it felt amazing on my skin. It was totally a no foundation day for me. I love those days, but as you can see, I've got some pretty red skin. I feel like the camera never actually picks up just how red my skin is, but y'all, I look like I'm on fire. Like all the time. My skin is super red, and I do feel like this gives a nice look to the skin, and it's very glowy and dewy without looking oily, which I can appreciate very much. I'm sorry that I'm looking over here, but I'm using my my viewfinder situation to kind of apply. But I just want you guys to see how nice the skin looks with this. And from me touching my skin, it will get a little bit more red just because that's how my skin is. It's very sensitive to touch. But it is a really nice primer. It feels really good. I'm going to let it dry down. It's not sticky once it dries. Like at first it feels a little bit tacky, but not really. And I'm actually just going to take the rest of it and just kind of rub my hands together and give them a little bit of a moisturizing glow as well. But you can see, like, look at that glow. This could totally be another no foundation day, but I want to show you guys how it applies with makeup over it, so we're going to do that too. Dude, where did that go? Man. Am I the only person who can never apply foundation without getting it all over your shirt? It is such an irritating quality. And it's not just like foundation. It's any makeup or food or anything. I cannot get it from the table without looking like some 3-year-old little kid who doesn't know how to use a spoon. Alright, so I'm just going to use this little brush right here to kind of blend this into the skin. I'm not being super crazy picky with it. Just getting it on there a little bit. Alright, and that is going to be it for this look. I hope that you guys pick this up and try it because it really feels amazing on the skin. I don't have huge pores to start with, but I feel like using this, they look minuscule. This is a perfecting primer. Like I said, my pores aren't huge to start with, so that may have something to do with it. I don't like hyping up products super crazy, just because what works for me may not work for you, but for me, this stuff worked out pretty good. It smells amazing. It gives an amazing glow to the skin. I give it 2 thumbs up. I really do. I think that it is really pretty and dewy. And my hand, like, look at the back of my hand. Look how glowy that is. It's so pretty and shiny, but not greasy and nasty. Like, it doesn't feel gross. It's just really pretty and I like it. So, that is going to be all for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day or night, whatever time of day you're watching this video. I hope it's great for you, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, y'all.